It's okay. You're safe now. Come on, let me help you. It's okay, I'm here to help you. Shh, you're safe now, little rabbit. Let's get you cozy. Hey there, sweetie. It's all right, you're safe now. Let me just take a quick look. I'm gonna gently pick you up.
It's okay, little one. I'm here to help you. Let me just check your ear. You're safe now.
It's okay, little one. Help is here. Help is here, little one. It's okay, little one. I'm here to help. It's okay, little one. I'm here to help. Shh, it's okay. Come on, drink some water. You're safe now. Come on now, it's just water. You're safe with me. That's a good bunny. It's okay, I won't hurt you. Drink some water. That's a good bunny. Let me just check your ear now. Shh, it's okay. I know you're scared, but I'm not gonna hurt you. Let me just take a look. Shh, it's all right. Let me just take a quick look. We're gonna help you.
Shh, it's all right. I know you're scared, but you're safe now. I'm just gonna take a quick look.
Shh, it's all right. I'm just going to clean this gently. You're safe now, little rabbit.
Easy now. I know you're scared, but I'm just cleaning this up. You're doing so well.
There we go, just applying this ointment now. You're being so brave, little one. We'll have this bandage on in no time.
Shh, it's all right. This ointment will help your nose feel better. Just stay still for the bandage on your ear.
There you go. Drink up, sweetie. You're doing so well.
Easy now, easy. You're all right. Go ahead and drink the water, nice and slow.
There you go, sweetie. Nice and warm. We're gonna get you some help right away. You did so well drinking. It's okay, little one. We're gonna get you some help now. You're safe with me. Easy now. You're safe with me. Let's get you comfortable in here so we can get you help. Easy there, little one. You're safe now. We're gonna take good care of you.
It's okay, little one. You're safe now. We're almost to the car.
You're okay, sweetie. We're almost there. Just relax, you're safe now. Shh, it's all right. You're safe now, we're gonna take care of you. It's okay, little one. We're getting you fixed up now. You're safe. You're doing so well. We're just gonna clean this up gently now. There you go. It's okay, little one. You're safe now. We're just gonna clean this up gently. Easy there, easy. Just cleaning this up. You're doing so well. Shh, it's all right. I know this is scary, but you're safe now. We're almost done. It's okay, sweetie. Just hold still for me. We're almost done patching you up. You're being so brave. Easy now, easy. You're doing very well. We're just gonna wrap this up and you'll feel much better soon. It's okay, you're safe now. Here, try this lettuce. You need to get your strength back. Eat your lettuce, sweetie. You're doing great. Such a good rabbit.
It's okay, little one. You're safe now. Just rest here, everything is going to be all right.
It's okay, little one.
You're safe now. We're gonna take good care of you. There you go, little one. Nice and warm now. You're safe. It's okay now, little one. You're safe here.
Easy now, easy. It's okay, you're safe. We're gonna help you feel better.
You're okay, sweetie. I know. You're being so brave. We're gonna take good care of you. It's okay, little one. You're safe now. We're gonna take good care of you. Shh, it's all right. You're safe here. We're taking care of you now. There you go. You're doing very well. We're just gonna get this bandage on and you'll be all set. It's okay, little one. You're safe now. Just rest.
Shh, you're doing so well. Almost done, little one. You're safe now.
There we go. All clean now. You're being very brave.
It's okay, little one. Eat up, you need your strength. That's it, keep eating. You're doing wonderfully. We're so happy to see you recovering. That's it, good job eating. And look at you trying to stand. I've got you, take it easy.
Gently now. Take your time. That's it, you're doing great. That's it, gently. You're doing great, little one. You're so brave. You're doing great, just take it easy. That's it, step by step. We're right here. It's okay, sweetie. You're doing so well. Just take it slow, that's it. You are safe now. There you go, nice and easy. I know it's hard, but you're so brave. Good job. You're doing wonderfully. Nice and easy now, that's it. You are safe here. That's it, you're doing great. Such a brave rabbit. We're here to help you. Gently now, gently. One step at a time. That's a good rabbit. Easy now, just a little antiseptic, and then we'll get this wrapped up. You're doing great. Come on, sweetie, you can do it. Yes, good steps. Here's a little treat for you.
That's it, little one. One step at a time. You are so brave.
That's it, you're doing so well. Look at you walking.
That's it, keep going. You're doing so well.
What a good rabbit you are. Yes, you're all better now. Go ahead, walk a little. There we go, all healed up. You're ready to go explore. Here you go, sweetie. Good rabbit. You're doing so well. Look at you, almost ready to go home. You've been so brave. You are such a good rabbit. You're almost ready to go home soon. Yes, you are. That's it. You're doing great. It's okay. There you go, sweet rabbit. You're doing so well. You're safe now, little one. Everything is going to be just fine. Shh, shh, it's all right. You're safe now. Let's get you somewhere quiet. Gently does it.
It's okay, little one. You're safe now. We're gonna get you settled in your new home.
It's all right, sweetie. You're safe. Take your time. Come on out when you're ready.
Take your time, sweetie. It's safe here.
That's it. You're doing great. There you go. Take it. Take your time.
Everything is going to be all right now.
It's okay, sweetie. You're doing so well.
Take your time, there's no rush.
There you go. Take your time. You're gonna love it here. There you go. Take your time. You're gonna love it here.
It's okay, little rabbit. You're safe now. Go on, there you go.
They're very gentle. What a sweet rabbit. It's so good to finally meet you.
Here you go, sweetie. Go meet your new family.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Come here, little one.
You're doing so well. See, gentle hands. What a good rabbit you are. Go ahead, sweetie, it's a treat. You're doing so well exploring your new room.
It's okay. Easy does it. I'm just gonna help you. You're safe now. It's okay, little rabbit. I've got you. You're safe now. We're gonna get you some help. Easy there. You're all right, I've got you. We're gonna get you somewhere safe right now.
There you go. Nice and easy. You're all right, sweetie. Everything is gonna be fine.